Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing paint on the walls. As you see, there's a lot of progress with the paintwork. I'll be doing some floorboards on the top for the mezzanine, and I've also put some support joints in between the joists just to give it a little bit extra stability. I'm going to put a fast forward on the video so you don't have to see me in real time. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give a like and a subscribe. First time I've ever done this, I'm kind of going along as I go along, you know. So if I need any help, I'm literally visiting YouTube. But a lot of it's common sense, I think. So far I think I'm doing well. I know it's not perfect, but it is what it is, and hopefully it'll be fantastic by the time I've finished. Enjoy the video. Peace. Right then guys, it's me, Danny Bennett. Today we're going to be painting the inside of the spray booth. We'll be using this spray machine here. It's called Max Spray. And it's the M1 version. Another version where it's up high and not on the floor, but I couldn't get my hands onto that, so I had to make do with this one. And the paint I'll be using for this spray booth is actually kitchen and bathroom paint. I've got the strongest and most resistant to moisture one I could possibly find, so I've got Valspar Premium kitchen and bathroom, exceptional resistance to mould and moisture. It's scrubbable and it's stain resistant. So that is what I'll be using. I like to, for every litre I've got, I'll do a litre of water. Actually, let me just double check that. Sorry, so every 2.5 litre of paint, I've been using 2 litres of water. I've got that all made up here now. So it's quite woody, as you can see. It's very, very white. It's absolutely blinding, to be honest with you. So that's what I've got. This is what I'm using. The actual spray gun itself. The spray gun itself. So the spray gun itself is here. Needs a bit of a clean, to be honest. I need to clean it, but that's the spray gun itself. So the machine pressurizes and then forces the paint out of here, giving it a nice fine atomized mist. So yeah, so I'm going to get started now. I'm going to put the camera so you can see me and fast forward the whole process for you, so you're not just watching me doing it in real time, and I'll see you once it's been done. So this is where I've got to today then, guys. So I've painted the wall about 3 times. I do need to give it as, I'm just going to keep painting it until I run out of paint, to be honest with you. All the joists are up and the hangers. I've put some of the flooring up upstairs. I've put some support beams here and also here because I felt like it was kind of long, like the gap was quite long, so I put another beam just to give it extra support. So I've done 2, 3, 4 lots of floorboards. I've been up there and it's strong enough to hold my weight, so I'm not going to go up again for this video. I'm not very good with heights, that's why I'm not. I went up with the ladders, you see, and I hate heights. So I'm going to build stairs to get up the top. So yeah, guys, that's where I've got to so far. The spray booth and the mezzanine. I know it's not the best, but I'm trying my hardest with what I've got, and I'm sure it'll look great once I'm finished. So bear with me, and you'll see the finished product very soon, I hope. Good night and God bless.